What's the meaning of consolidation? Consolidation. Consolidation.
Consolidation. Consolidation. Consolidation generally refers to the act of combining or merging multiple entities or things into a single, more unified whole. In business, consolidation can refer to mergers and acquisitions between companies, leading to a reduction in competition and an increase in the size and power of the surviving company. Consolidation can also refer to the process of combining and organizing multiple financial accounts or debts into a single account or payment plan. The result of consolidation is often increased efficiency and stability, as well as a reduction in redundancy or duplication of effort.